One of the biggest challenges in building an online business is finding a niche that actually makes money. That's where AI Niche Site Blueprint changes the game. This system helps you uncover hidden, profitable niches that most marketers overlook. The kind with real buyer demand but low competition. Inside the blueprint, you'll learn exactly how to analyze keywords, validate niche potential, and identify markets that are quietly generating consistent income. This step-by-step training shows you what numbers to look for, what to avoid, and how to know when a niche is truly worth your time. Then using the built-in ZERP AI automation app, you can instantly turn those niche ideas into complete websites. The AI handles everything, from writing, optimizing content, to posting it automatically. So your site starts attracting traffic fast. It's a simple, smart way to skip the guessing game and start building websites that are already positioned to earn. If you're ready to uncover the first profitable niche and let AI do the heavy lifting, click the link in the description to get started with AI Niche Site Blueprint today.